shower, the crab shower.
Crab shower.
That's the wrong kind of shower you want, man.
This is so good.
So, I'm so excited about the new year.
Me too.
We got so much good stuff that's about to happen.
Yeah.
Like, go ahead.
Oh, well, me personally, I have a hairline that I'm launching. LuxLabelVirginHair.com. Lux Label Virgin Hair on Instagram. It's a really good bomb hair. Like, I'm so excited. Like, it's really good, pretty quality hair. Like, I'm proud to stand behind this hair. And
I will be judging that in one of my videos.
Okay. You're gonna be wearing it all the time, I'm sure.
And I'm gonna tell the truth.
She will.
Yeah.
She is the blunt, like,
Yeah.
super to the point sister. Like, no plan. This sauce,
Man.
we bougetto right now, y'all. We got
Perfect
plastic
word. I love it.
cups, plastic plates with champagne glasses. Eating a lot.
Period.
Eating crab legs. Like,
So,
you gotta balance it out. It's like 50-50 around here.
550 subscribers. I want to do a giveaway. When I get to 1,000, it's gonna be something so nice. It's gonna be like a few things. It's not just gonna be one thing. It's gonna be a couple different items, makeup.
Kind of like a
it
little
could be
gift
hair
bag,
products. It could be some of her hair, so you can get some bundles probably. Like,
That might be a
I'm
good
gonna do
idea.
something nice.
Yeah, that is a good idea. Actually, that is a good idea. You know what? Actually, that is what the giveaway is about.
Period.
You
gonna win some bundles. Nice quality.
I think I might do like body wave. What's like a typical length of hair that girls get?
I think 18 is good.
I was kind of
Depending on their job, because with like me, I work in the medical field. You don't want nothing super long.
like 30 inches down to the flow.
Yeah. No.
Okay. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe like 18 inch. Should I do like 18 and like 2 18s and a 20, or should I do like all 18s? I know some people like they hair all the same lengths. I've been seeing a lot of that.
Yeah.
So, or I could do like 2 18s and a 20 just in case they want that extra length. But yeah, comment. Let us know what y'all think.
So, y'all gotta let me know what videos y'all want me to do. Help me.
I think you're the first kid to crash a little YouTube mukbang. That's how you say it? Mukbang?
Mukbang, mukbang.
Whatever. Lots of food.
Okay.
This is the first time a kid crashed it. Like, why?
Oh, man. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm about to get all this here.
Oh, my God.
All this here.
What the heck was that in?
All this here.
Girl, that claw right there you need to get.
That, yeah.
You said I need to get it? No matter what do. Man, these king crabs really get you full, man. Beloved G, she be taking down the whole crab. I can't.
A 5-pound boy.
I'm in full already.
Look at y'all. Look at this.
Look at him.
Beautifulness.
Oh my God. Here.
Y'all.
Let me give you more brown.
This is so good. Okay. Man. I'm telling you. Y'all know who pranked the hell out of their parents and I wouldn't because they daddy crazy. The Taylor
girls.
Yes.
They are hilarious.
I was
Do
just
you know
watching
I
the
watched
other day.
them heifers drag? One of them dragged the bag down the stairs and the sister popped out at the end talking about, get in your bag.
Girl.
Get in your bag. You ain't in your bag,
In
sis.
that damn garbage bag.
You seen it?
Yes.
What is they are crazy. I love it though.
Yeah, it just so happened it was like, wow. That I can't even breathe.
This is
You want this little? Okay, this is it.
Girl, give it to me. The little piece.
Mom's calling.
She calling. See if the food done. Just come home.
And eat.
Right. I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload. And love you guys. Peace.